So while graphing lines is still fresh in your memories, we're going to move on to solving systems by graphing these lines. And the way we solve these systems by graphing the lines is we graph the individual lines and then physically see where those two lines intersect. This whole unit, when we're finding solutions to these systems, the meaning of that solution, when we find x and y, that is a point of intersection of the graphs. So what we're going to do is we are going to graph each line individually, and hopefully with these that are in slope-intercept form, you can tell me everything you need to know about those lines. For example, the first one, the y-intercept is a point 0,2. And the slope is 1, so from that point we would go up 1 and over 1. So, and when solving these, you want to be pretty precise with graphing these lines. You want to use a straight edge so that you are pretty precise and you can see where these lines intersect pretty clearly. In the second one, our y-intercept is a point 0, -2, and our slope is 3, so we are going up 3 and over 1, and continuing with the slope of up 3 over 1, and the solution to our system is that point of intersection. And that point of intersection, x-coordinate is first, the x-coordinate of that point is 2, the y-coordinate of that point is 4. So the solution to the system is the point 2, 4. The second one, we've got two more that are in slope-intercept form. Graphing the first one in blue, y-intercept is 0,4, slope of 2. And the second one, y-intercept is 2, and the slope is 1. And the point of intersection of those two lines is right there on the x-axis, and the coordinates of that point is -2 and 0. So that is a solution of that system of equations. In the next one, we've got two more slope-intercept form. Y-intercept in the first one is a point 0, -3 with the slope of -3, so we go down 3 and over 1. And the second one, y-intercept of 2. With a slope of 2. And our point of intersection is the point -1, 0. And finally, D, y-intercept is a point 0, -4, with a slope of -1. And the second line is actually in standard form, so to graph this one, we will find the x and the y-intercepts. Again, to find the x-intercept, you basically take out the y, because you're plugging 0 in for the y. So our x-intercept is -1/4, and our y-intercept is +1. So the slope of that line would be 4. And that point of intersection is the point -1, -3. In the next video, we'll talk about some special cases that arise when solving these systems by graph